cheese will travel.
And you know what? I'll be happy to share it with you.
Oh, thank you, friend.
Angel. Mwah. Good to see you.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome
Great
to
to be here.
Friday.
Are you kidding? I love Friday.
Friday is awesome. Let's talk to everyone about this opportunity to get this beautiful pitcher, 2.8 quarts.
Yes.
And get it with a fruit infusion chamber.
I love this.
Tell us about this.
Yeah, well, so many of you have been requesting.
Come on this
you
side.
love, of course, the stoneware, but you love the translation of the patterns, and what better way than in summertime with our beautiful acrylic pitcher with, as David mentioned, that fruit infusion. Love that. It's a little thread. You're just going to thread it right under the lid, give it a twist or two, and then go ahead, line it up, drop it right inside that pitcher. And you are good to go. Just under 3-quart total capacity. This, of course, is the polka dot that you're looking at. You're going to want to hand wash this, but truly, I promise you, you will love this piece. You will use it over and over, whether it's flavored waters that you want to do. Every water, every soda, everything works in here. Nothing fancy, nothing special.
Hey, can I tell you that we are already super limited in patriotic and polka dot.
Oh, the two.
These two.
Okay.
So I'm going to park these right side by side because, John, in the polka dot we now have 150. How about patriotic? A few more to go around in that. Please don't wait on these two. They're going to go very quickly. Down below is the blue. Now remember, with these pitchers, you're getting an infusion of both patterns, right?
That was good.
You get Old World and you get Floral Lace.
Yes.
So this is your blue. See, Allie's not the only one that can be punny around here. All right.
You're very punny.
She's punnier than I am, though. This is the black, and then we have it for you in the red. Hi, patriotic.
I love the colors we have. They're so fun.
So if we sell out of patriotic, which is likely, and you want to get two pitchers, get a red and a blue one.
Fun.
And then serve those, you know, all summer long for your holidays.
Absolutely.
Now, I believe that we're still probably safe within our window to get these by the 4th if you use a credit card.
Oh, good.
I think we're
That'll
close.
be great.
It's going to depend on where you live, so ask your operators about the estimated delivery date. But I would think you've got a fighting good chance of getting this home.
All right. Want to have some fun?
Yeah, show me how this works.
All right, so here's what I'm doing. I'm just going to finish adding a couple of peaches in here. Now, you know, you asked me a very great question earlier, which is how long can you keep that fruit once you're putting it in here? A couple of weeks. You can keep that right in the refrigerator.
But what's the secret of keeping the fruit fresh?
Submerge it in the liquid.
So make sure it stays beneath the liquid line, right?
See that? So, and here's the best part. There's an arrow that lines up. You're just going to click that right in, and then you can begin to pour. So here we did a beautiful white sangria, Mr. Venable.
Is this peach-infused sangria?
It is. How delicious is that?
I'm going to have to Uber home, kids.
And this is what we love about it,
Allie's like, I'll drive you home.
Yeah, no problem. She's like, but bring me a glass. Here's what I love about it. The fact that, again, you have all of those great flavors, whether it's wine, whether it's just regular waters, bubbling waters, all of those different things that you can flavor. Look what we did here. You're going to love this in the patriotic. In our margaritas, we did some jalapenos and we did some lime.
Jalapeno and
yes, how delicious is that? So have fun with this.
Spicy.
Yeah, what I love about this, again, of course, park it in the refrigerator. It'll stay nice and cold. I think Allie wants one of these.
Yeah, Allie's ready to slam one of those
It
down.
sounds like I'm going to drive you both home tonight.
I think that's more the case.
So whether you're doing, of course, sangrias or margaritas, or David, right down in front, I know one of the things you love, plain old tap water, put it right in there, and then we've infused it with our mint. We have our lemons and our limes, and all of a sudden you're at a beautiful spa.
Updates for you, darling.
Oh, boy. Okay.
We have sold out of patriotic and polka dot. Both are gone. Thank you, Kyle. Okay, now, if you want the black,
You want to bring them all up
fewer
here?
than 300.
Oh, there's the black.
I also have blue.
And
I have red.
Love that.
Scooch these a little closer together.
And as you mentioned, it is the infusion of the two patterns together, the Old World and the Floral Lace. Remember, you have that infusion chamber on the inside. It's just going to screw right inside. The lids are that gorgeous gel, jewel tone, along with that great oversized handle. So I love that, and just we recommend that you hand wash it.
Diana Irvine is over there on her QVC app ordering the red one.
Ooh, thank y'all.
See
thank
there?
You, thank you.
I want jalapeno in my margarita.
See?
She'd also like jalapeno. That's up to you, my darling.
You had me at jalapeno.
See there? Hey, but you know what? This is 2.8 quarts.
It's amazing.
This is acrylic. So probably too tall to go in your dishwasher, but boy, what an easy cleanup in the sink.
Yeah, just hand
right?
wash, which is so easy to do, right? Just under a 3-quart total capacity, and the secret is in that chamber. So whether you're doing your sangrias, whether you're freshening up your margaritas, we did a beautiful lemonade here, just with some strawberries and some lemons. So again, how nice, raspberries, blueberries, all of the different fruits that we want to infuse, whether it's a bubbly or whether it's a standard water. Yes, David?
Question.
Yes?
What if I wanted to put a spirited beverage in there and infuse pineapple into my vodka?
I think that sounds like a great idea, and you should invite me over.
If I were doing an iced tea, could I put mixed berries in the chamber and do a berry-infused iced tea?
Absolutely.
Or a peach tea.
Ooh, I
Wouldn't
love
that be
that.
nice? Peach iced tea.
Love that.
Right?
Here is actually exactly what you were just talking about. This is, of course, an iced tea where we actually put some of our oranges and some of our lemons and peaches.
You know what
Yum.
I might also do in that chamber with iced tea? Put blood oranges in there.
Ooh, great
Wouldn't
idea.
That be yummy?
Great
or if you wanted
idea.
to do blood orange into like maybe vodka or gin or something and make a summer cocktail out of it. Really a lot of fun.
I'm
right?
telling you, these are those pieces that, first of all, it makes a party even more fun, but it's something that you can park in your fridge, and as Dave and I were saying, keep that fruit submerged, and you can keep it for weeks.
Well, that's what makes these so fantastic. They're so versatile and allow you to use these. If you don't want to use the infusion pitcher, the infusion chamber, you can take it out.
You can take it out. Or you can also fill it with ice if you want to. So that's another thing that you can think about doing. But it works, it doesn't work just with it. Oh, go ahead, yes?
Just had a brainstorm, which would explain the smoke. Put frozen raspberries in here.
Great idea.
And that way, when they melt,
Doesn't water it down.
it doesn't dilute what's inside. Or frozen fruit. Put frozen fruit in there.
Love that.
So that really works out nicely. And then when you're ready to put that in, you just screw it back into the lid or not.
Right.
And pop
Either
it right
way.
down. Now,
Great-
let me
great
tell you,
point.
here's the story, Glories. This is ordinarily QVC priced at $30.25. We are $22.48 tonight. We have sold out of polka dot, green, and patriotic. We started with 4,000. I have 800 red, 700 blue, and 200 in the black, and this price only good until end of day today. Now, Tara, it's on 3 easy payments.
I love that.
If we use our Q card tonight, it's 5.
And you get it, and if you use it, you get it for 4th of July?
You should be able to get it by 4th of July, depending on where you live. Check with the operators on the estimated delivery date, but I think you've got a fighting good chance.
I love this. And it's BPA free. So again, like we said, hand wash it, but just have fun with it. Whether everyday water, everyday sodas, everything you can possibly think of, it doesn't have to be all this fancy, you can do in this.
We will see you later. You
Yeah.
got that centerpiece bowl. Entertaining.
Yeah.
I sense a theme coming on. All right. Hey, you know what the other theme is? Delicious pot stickers. But what if they were bite size? What if they were mini?